Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by forcing meaningful activity. You need attempts and success early. Play the player in game, take open shots, and attack closeouts to generate makes. Once you have 3-5 high-value attempts, make consecutive shots to trigger the heat mechanics. Make sure to mix shot types so the system tracks diversified scoring. Also push for rebounds or assists when opportunities appear, because additional positive stats help sustain momentum. Keep pace but stay selective. Once you have initial makes, keep the streak alive by selecting high-percentage shots and using screens to get open looks. You should time releases well. Late or early shots break the flow. Make sure to exploit mismatches, drive when slower defenders sag, and pull up for mid-range if defenders close out. Use phantom subs or call plays that feed your hot player, because repeated open shots are what sustain the heat check. Monitor stamina and badge effects to avoid sudden cold spells. Complete the process by delivering a small clutch run, 2 to 4 strong possessions with high efficiency, and the system will typically register the heat check. If you miss and lose the streak, pause briefly, sub the player out to drop fatigue, then re-enter and rebuild quickly. Make sure game sliders or online lag aren't causing poor reads. If badges or boosts didn't activate, adjust loadouts next game. Finally, practice timing and shot selection. That fixes most recurring issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.